Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MBA Unfiltered. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we'll discuss about IIT Kanpur waitlist movement. As a lot of students are asking me regarding the IIT Kanpur, as results are out, I thought I'll talk about waitlist movement of last year, and you will get a better projection that whether you will get IIT Kanpur or not. Let's move to the website itself. Yeah. Once you get into a website, you will get see the data here. IIT Kanpur Core MBA. This is the RTI based stats for 2023 to 2025 batch, and you can see here category wise number of candidates who fill the application for the last year. It was around for general category almost 1341 people applied for IIT Kanpur. For EWS 165, NCOBC 374, SC 265, ST 29, PWD 8. Here, category wise number of candidates shortlisted for interview round. For general category, 10305 people got the call. Means 36 people got rejected by IIT Kanpur. For EWS category 158, NCOBC 356, SC 254, ST 26, PWD 6. You can see the percentile. If 100% of the people have applied and go for the IIT Kanpur, out of that 97.32% of the people got a call from IIT. And I believe IIT Kanpur is a pretty decent B school if I look at ROI perspective. And if you really wanted to get into tech manager roles, if you wanted to do a tech MBA and get into the technology recruiters such as Cognizant, Accenture, Infosys, Nagaro, Emphasis, then you can see here the data of category wise minimum percentile for shortlisting. For general category 80 percentile, EWS 80, NCOBC 80, SC 55, ST 55, PWD 55. Then you can look down to the composite score of the people who got final offer of admission. जिन जिन लोगों को आईआईटी कानपुर में एडमिशन मिल चुका है उनका कंपोजिट स्कोर का कट ऑफ ए है. जनरल कैटेगरी का 73.78, ईडब्ल्यू एस 61.45, एनसीओबीसी 57.74, एससी 49.84, एसटी 41.78, पीडब्ल्यूडी 66.11. Highest composite score who got a seat into IIT Kanpur. General category में a guy who got 90.05, EWS 73.72, NCOBC 73.92, SC 71, ST 65.83, PWD 66.11. Category wise total number of students who offered and who got a seat into campus. जनरल कैटेगरी में 194 लोगों को सीट मिल चुका है. ईडब्ल्यूएस में 50, एनसीओबीसी में 130, एससी 75, एसटी 15, पीडब्ल्यूडी 1. तो अगर आप ऐसे देखो तो ऑलमोस्ट 400 का बैच साइज जा रहा है. यू कैन सी हियर कैटेगरी वाइज वेट लिस्ट नहीं मिली है यहाँ, बट आई टेल यू द वेट लिस्ट मूवमेंट सून. फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी वेट लिस्ट हैज बीन मूव्ड बाय 23. Minimum category wise cat percentile required is for general category 82.49, EWS 81.4, NCOBC 80, SC 58.34, ST 55.56, PWD 93.55. Category wise class composition, you can see here general category 48, EWS 20, NCOBC 46, SC 39, ST2, PWD 1. And lastly, there are no vacant seats for IIT Kanpur for their technical MBA program. आना चालू करा है. I believe if you wanted to get into IIT Kanpur, it is a pretty decent option that will be available for you. Average package goes around 12 to 15 LPA, and kind of a tech recruiters that are visiting the campus again and again. Let's say Accenture Strategy and Consulting, Morgan Stanley, Barclays आती है, Flipkart आती है, Deloitte आती है, Big Four में, EY आती है, Mastercard आती है. The Go Digit is also visiting to the campus, and if you get into top 20% of the batch, it is one of the best choice for consulting and product management roles. If you wanted to pursue these domains, I believe IIT Kanpur is the best choice that will be available to you. Along with that, IIT Kanpur gives lot of buffer calls. If I talk about the waitlist moment of IIT Kanpur for general category 23, general DAP में waitlist 1 हो चुकी है. EWS में waitlist has been moved by 6. एनसीओबीसी में 15, SC 8, ST 2. This is the waitlist moment of IIT Kanpur. If you have any queries, guys, put it into comment box. I'll definitely take your query and I'll let you know आपको कैंपस मिलेगा या नहीं. All the best to you guys.